Looking for trusted garage door installation in Woodbridge, VA shouldn't feel overwhelming. A strong, well-installed garage door adds safety, style, and everyday convenience to your home. At Adams Garage Doors LLC, experienced professionals handle garage door installation with care, precision, and clear communication. From replacing old doors to installing new garage doors that fit your home perfectly, every step is explained in a simple and honest way. Choose a team that focuses on long-term performance, dependable support, and customer-first service.